Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the scene switcher in OBS Studio step by step. The scene switcher lets OBS automatically switch between your scenes while you're recording or streaming. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Next, click Tools at the top of the window. Then select Automatic Scene Switcher. Check the box next to Enable. Next, click the plus button. Select the window or application you want to use. Then choose the scene you want OBS to switch to when that window is active. Repeat the same steps to add more windows and scenes if needed. Once you're finished, click Close. Now, when you switch between the selected windows, OBS will automatically switch to the assigned scene. And that's it. You've successfully set up the automatic scene switcher in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.